Hey guys, hope you're having a great day today. My name is Daniel and I'm the High Mileage Helper. On this channel, my goal is to be able to help you learn more about the RV transporting industry, as well as give how-to videos for your truck, and then give recommendations along the way. And so if this is our first time meeting, just consider subscribing, hitting the like button if you get good value. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about what I've learned during this shutdown and how that can help you coming up. I just wanted to start off by saying how grateful I am for those who cut hair. I've needed a haircut for a long time now, several months. I just about had a mullet in the back, and I'm pretty sure we're all thankful, we're grateful that you don't have to see that, and I don't have to feel it. And today I got my haircut this morning, and I'm just so grateful for it. If you know somebody, thank them, because wow, it can get out of hand pretty quickly. So for many of us already in this industry, we've experienced some serious trouble over these last several weeks, not having any loads at all, or maybe just a few, with the manufacturers being shut down for so long. If I can't be hauling campers, what am I going to do? How am I going to get my bills paid? How flexible am I willing to be to do what needs to be done to get my bills paid? And so I've just been asking that question, and I actually had a great example in two young guys who are just down the street, I guess. They came to my house and they said, hey, we want to do yard work, we want to mow your lawn, we want to do anything we can. We're trying to hustle and make some money. We're not just going to be playing video games all day long. We want to make some money while we have the opportunity to. And so I wanted to encourage those guys and be a blessing to them. So had them do some yard work for me, did a great job. I did quite a bit of yard work to begin with during the shutdown. I did truck maintenance on my truck. I've made a few videos, not that many, but I've just done several things around my property now to get things in order. Since I've only been here about 6 months, I'm still not fully unpacked and everything, with this job being gone so much. And so with all that being the case, I basically came down to, okay, well, now it's time to make money. I've done everything I need to do on the side here, but what can I do to seriously buckle down and find another way to make money somehow? So I just had to ask myself, what other jobs are out there that I could do that actually have the same skill set needed, that would be the same idea, the same track. It wouldn't be completely learning a whole new skill set, doing a whole new thing, starting from scratch, but it would be an easy transfer for a side job, for a temporary job even. And so what that was for me, and actually my brother's the one who brought this to my attention. Shout out to you, David. But it's actually food delivery. And when I say that, I get a sense of it's being belittled, thinking you're just a 18-year-old little pizza delivery guy who's not going to make any money. But the truth is, it's the same skill set. Essentially, we are delivering campers to dealerships. We are a delivery boy, a delivery girl, delivery man, whatever you want to call it. It's the same skill sets for delivering food. We've got to have great time management, a safe driver. We've got to be communicating from the pickup all the way through the drop-off. And lastly, it's got to be the correct load that we're actually supposed to be delivering. So whether that's a trailer or that's food, all these things apply, and it's not too far of a jump. And so for me, I was willing to make this jump into delivering food during this time temporarily, and I made some great money in this process. And honestly, I really wondered if I should even make this video. This is not directly information how to make money in RV transport. Rather, this video is to help you think clearly in a state of trouble when your back's up against the wall and there is trouble in the RV transporting industry. What are you willing to do? So for me, being willing to find another similar job to do this job in the meantime to be able to make some cash on the side. Now, I'll be making a video in the future about what I really made, and I'll break it down and share some information if you guys even want it. Maybe you don't, but for me, I made some really great money in my area. I'm not guaranteeing you would have the same experience that I've had. Maybe your market's completely different. I'm not even telling you you've got to start delivering food in the meantime. That's not what I'm saying at all, but rather to help you think clearly. And honestly, it might be that delivering food's just not your cup of tea. That's fine. Find other things with your skill sets, with your different tools at your disposal. If you have a trailer, if you have anything else, find those side jobs, find those temporary jobs that you can have in the meantime to be able to bridge that gap and be able to pay the bills, do what you got to do. And so for me, this is what I've done. It's worked out well in my market with how I operate. And just want to share this with you guys. I really doubted even sharing this with you at all because it's not directly RV transported related. But I just felt like I need to say something about this. Being flexible. What I've learned during this RV transport shutdown, with everything going on in our country, the whole world, I've really reconsidered what does it mean to be flexible, and how far am I willing to go to be able to make money, to do what I need to do to pay my bills. So delivering food is now one of the things that I'm going to be doing temporarily here, and then maybe part-time in the future, being able to be home more, and lots of other things that come with just delivering food. So if this video is a help to you and you want more information on maybe the food delivery, let me know in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys even care about this. If you guys don't, hopefully this got you thinking about how flexible you can be, how far are you willing to go, finding other odd jobs, using the same skill sets you already have, so it's not that far of a leap. Using the tools that are at your disposal to be able to make money on the side as a side job or just a temporary job, whatever it needs to be. And really all of this comes from humbling myself to be willing to do this. Delivering campers seemed, oh, you're a commercial driver and all these things. And then you go down to delivering food as a little delivery guy. Society looks at you differently. But the truth is, the money that I've made over the last 10 days has been so much that people can talk all day long. That's fine. I've made solid money, but I'm definitely going to be keeping food delivery in my arsenal of options to be able to use for side work, for temporary work in the future. And so hopefully this has been a help to you in thinking about how flexible are you, what are you willing to do, and hopefully you can gain something through this shutdown that we've been in nationwide. And so if it's been a help to you, please hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be getting a lot more content out to you guys once I get back out on the road. I want to be doing some real helpful things with the truck, the pay, and all these things to really give you a better picture of what it is to be in the RV transporting industry. So hopefully you guys are still doing well, hanging through this. We're at the tail end of this thing. Trailers are getting pushed out. So hopefully I'll see you out on the road, and we'll talk soon. Stay safe, and God bless.